Hello friends, I welcome you all in one more interesting video. Today in this video, I'll not going to share with you any of the provision or any of the section of Income Tax Act 1961, but in this video, I'll going to share with you my experience of income tax return filing for 2023. Recently, we all professionals ended up completing this 2023 ITR filing season. My experience on this is that, see, the best part happened this year was that income tax portal worked so smoothly even during peak hours of filing. Income tax portal worked efficiently. I would really appreciate this, and I would say that this is truly digital India. Next part of every tax filing season is that for when the client comes to you with a case, with the compliance, with the ITR filing, right, and if the case is quite typical, there are some new provisions which are attracting. For example, the ITR is of more than 50 lakhs, so we need to disclose the assets. And if, for example, Indian resident is there and have some assets in foreign countries, so reporting of foreign assets or foreign income is also applicable in the ITR. See, so for every tax filing season, we need to revisit. What we need to do? We need to revisit to the provisions of Income Tax Act 1961, and that revisit altogether gives us a different insight to the provisions of Income Tax Act, that how it will going to practically applicable in the client's case. And I would say this is one of the best part of every tax filing season. The next important aspect of every tax filing season is that the client comes to you with a different intention, and when you communicate what the actual provision says to the client, then client and us as a professionals discuss on to the taxation aspect. Then we decide mutually the tax position which the client would like to take in the income tax return, right, by keeping in view the case laws which are available in favor of the client, by keeping in view the circulars, the notifications which are available that talks about benefit for the client. So deciding the tax position also includes good analytical part, and this decision of the tax position, and by communicating appropriate tax position to the client, by keeping in view the risk involved of the future litigation in the client's case, is also highly insightful for every tax filing season. The next and the most important part of every tax filing season is that money, the fees that we recover from the client. Is that, see, we as a team of professionals, what we have is we have the system of charging advance fees from majority of the clients, especially the new clients, right? So what we do is we obtain documents, we obtain details from the clients, right? Then we calculate the man hours involved in the assignment, and then we inform fees to the client, right? And we always say that the fees is payable well in advance, then only we can initiate working on the assignment, right? Until unless we receive the fees, we do not initiate, or we do not give our inputs to that assignment. We have complete system of collection of fees well in advance, because fees is one of the important factor that motivates us as a professional to work efficiently for the clients for those assignments. See, if you will not recover fees well in advance, then your lot of time, lot of energy, and energy for yours as well as of your team would going to be consumed in this useless exercise of recovering fees from the clients. And like every other filing season, right, professionals have to come out of the comfort zone every filing season, because during the last 15 days, last 10 days, then last 7 days piled up a lot of pressure on the professionals, because there is a set of client, right, maybe in the majority, they always come up during the last dates, and being a professional, it's a professional opportunity, so we cannot say no to them, right? So we as a professional during the filing seasons, we need to come out of the comfort zones, and we also need to teach our team, we also need to train our teams so that they should also come out of their respective comfort zones, and the assignment has to be completed well before the due dates. Next is that every filing season gives you some knowledge, gives you some level of good wisdom, and I would say that every professional, including me, have to work on making office automatic systems, right? We need to have some automations in the office. It has to be system based, right? There must be a process, there must be some control on the like you can use spreadsheets, you can use any other tool or any other software to have better control over that, how much of the cases has been done, how much are pending, how much are pending for the verification, how much are pending to get signed by the clients for speed post to the income tax CPC Bangalore, right? So this is how you need to have proper control over the tax filing processes, and every professional should try to make this process system based, right? That you just need to supervise and monitor the entire process, and your team, your software or your systems in the office will do the execution part. It was all about, from my side, my experience, my learning, and I'm sharing with all of you, right? So the next filing season would be the audit filing season. So we have August full month and September full month for completion of the audits of Income Tax Companies Act, right? So let's gear up now. Let's gear up your teams to take up the audit assignments. We have couple of months left only. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, and if you have any inputs that how tax filing season's experience can be improved, and if you have any comment, any query relating to income tax side, you can post your query in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel and watch this video. Thank you. Bye.